How to increase volume of your laptop speaker on your Windows. Hey everybody, if you're having that issue where your speaker's sound is very low, you may follow up the steps. So what you can do is you can head over to the search in the button and you can just go ahead and type in control panel in the search and open it up on your screen. Now that you open it up, you may head over to this view by section, drop this option down and select the option of last icons and select it. And once you've done that, here you will be finding different computer settings. You may locate up this option of sound and open the sound, double click on it to open it up, and here you will be finding sound. You may locate up your default speaker. Right now mine is this, so you may head over to it, look out for properties option. And once you head over to properties, here you will be finding different options. So what the thing you need to do is you need head over to levels option and you need to make this Realtek HD audio output to the highest if your speaker is very low. Mine is this much, it is enough for me, but if it is not enough for you, you may just go ahead and increase the level. So for example, if you would like 62 or 82, even 100%, you can select this option. And when you head over and play any of the audio, you will be finding the audio being changed according to its size. Like if you select more, you will be finding a more output, but if you select less, you will be finding less output. So you may select according to your choice. After that, click on apply and click on OK. Similarly, we have advanced option. You can look out for default format. You can select up 16-bit, 24-bit according to your device's compatibility. After that, test it and select the sample rate and bit depth to be used when running a shared mode. And we have other hardware acceleration, signal enhancement. You may enable these options as well. Head over to spatial sound. If you would like to select spatial sound format, you can select this option for your headphones and close this up. Once you apply the changes, you can even configure your speakers. Look out for configure option and we have audio channels. You can test it out and look out for configuration for your speakers. Like if you're using two speakers, look out for it, test and click on any speaker above to test it, click on next and confirm it and select your speaker setup, and that's it. So therefore, you may follow up the steps and let us know in the comments if this video worked for you. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.